Welcome back to Children's Yoga with me, Zahrah. Today we're going to be making some lunch. So, all I need you to do is make sure you've got enough space around you, follow my instructions and have some fun. Just put one leg out like so, and the other. And we're going to be making a wrap or a sandwich, whatever's your preference. I'm going to be using a chapati, so I'm going to be reaching up high and making a big circle. If you're going for a sandwich, you could reach up high and get your piece of bread and just pat down. And then I'm going to look for some ingredients. So if I reach down here, I've got some salad, some lovely green salad, and I'm going to place it around my chapati. And then I've got some cheese, some grated cheese. So I'm just going to sprinkle, 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 sprinkle some cheese. And then down here I've got some tomatoes. So I'm going to just chop, 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 chop the tomatoes, and then just drop them around my chapati. Brilliant. And now cheese, tomato, salad. Oh, I've got some cucumber. So I'm just going to slice, 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 slice the cucumber. And I'm just going to scatter the cucumber around my chapati. And then I'm going to roll my chapati. So I'm just going to lean back like so. And then I'm going to put my hands here and make sure my core's really tight. And I'm going to lift myself up slowly, rolling my chapati all the way up. And then I'm going to roll all the way to my toes. And I'm going to put my hands together like so. I'm going to slice down my chapati, cut it in half, pick it up, pop it in my bag, ready for later. Now, if I was using a piece of bread, I could reach up high, get another piece of bread, tap, 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 pat that piece of bread down, and then slice across, slice down, pick up my sandwich, place it to the side. Perfect. Thanks very much for joining me today. I hope you had fun making lunch with me. If you'd like to use any other ingredients, go ahead, please have some fun. Making sure you're doing some stretches and moving side to side. Okay, thanks very much. Bye.